What's up? Update to my plate situation. Got them. I gotta do a couple more things. I can install those, and I'm waiting for my turn signal kit and my horn and my license bracket and the little license plate lights. But as soon as I get all that on here, I will take it out. Hopefully here the next few days or a week. I'm still waiting on some of my stuff to get in, but I gotta install these lights, or not lights, but mirrors, and figure out where to put the plate and all that stuff. But I got it. It's gonna be fantastic whenever it's all said and done. And I just gotta see how many times I get pulled over. So I'm thinking probably here or something like that on the plate. I got a bracket coming in, so I'll put it somewhere, probably right here, just right in the middle. And then my turn signal kit, I actually got to drill a 3/4 inch hole somewhere to maybe even right here, on one on each side, to mount, because they're red in the back, and then it's going to have little lights here for the license plate, because in Missouri you have to have lights on the license plate. And then in the front, same thing, it'll be an amber light, but I'll probably end up putting those right here because they're so small. It'll be a 3/4 inch light on both sides there. And then I think that's gonna be it. And I'll put the horn underneath the hood and all that stuff. And I'm working on the mirrors and stuff right now, so I just gotta wait for that stuff to come in, and we'll get it mounted up and take it out on the road, see what happens. Take it easy, everyone.